welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial and a review. So I have the Makeup Revolution. I have the Revolution Glow Splendour Ultra Matte Bronzer Glow. I have it in the shade medium dark. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into my makeup, and then when we get to the part when I do my bronzer, that is when we're going to do the review on that. So if you want to see how that looks, keep on watching. And also, if you have not yet subscribed, check my channel out. Feel free to join the family. And to my OGs, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys. So yeah, let's jump into it. First, I'm going to prime my face using the Touch and Soul. This is how it's looking. So I already washed my face and I already did my mask for the day. I'll scoot my chair down a little bit. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys what I'm doing. So I'm going in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. I have this in the shade Mocha. I need to buy some more because it's running low. This is my go-to foundation. It's full coverage. And the shade is very gorgeous on me. It's like a chocolate color with a red undertone or a golden. Next, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. This is the 16-Hour Camo Concealer. I'm going in with the shade Tan Neutral. So next, I'm just going to blend in my highlights. Next, this is my Black Radiance. I have this in the shade Espresso. And then next, just gonna spray my blender. So how that's looking. And normally I add another shade of this because I'm extra. I'm so extra. And oh my god, y'all. So I have to share this. I recently got my Fashion Nova order, and this is my third reorder because due to quarantine and other factors, I gained like 25 pounds. I went from a size 7 to a size 13. So I didn't even notice I gained all this weight until people started telling me, like, Paris, you are getting bigger. Like, you're starting to get up there. So it didn't hit me until I started wanting to wear my jeans. Even the jeans that are too tight, well, that were too loose, that were loose on me, they are now tight on me now. So I'm like, golly. So as you can see, I'm taking this brush and I'm putting it next. I'm just finishing the contour on my nose. It's going to be a quick speed through because it takes a long amount of time for that to get done. Alright, so I finished contouring my nose. Next, I'm going to go in back with this black radiance. So I'm going to go back in with Cocoa Bean. And this shade is more of my skin tone, but it's a little lighter. But I don't want to go back in with that harshness just yet. Y'all see that? And then next I'm going to go in with Espresso. I'm just going to put it right here because I don't need that much contour. So as you can see, I have it just right here. Then I'm going to go back in with Espresso and I'm going to contour my forehead. This is that darker brown. Nice. So my nose is blended. Next, I'm going to go in with my MAC's, my Studio Fix powder in the shade NW43. And I'm just using this to set my highlight. Oh shoot, I forgot. I wanted to use my Aspen setting loose powder first, so I'm gonna do that first on my highlight. I learned this trick by watching a tutorial, and I forgot her name, but I'm subscribed to her. I think she's from London. Hopefully you guys know what I'm talking about. Know who I'm talking about. But I'm just gonna use this. And plus I'm oily, so this comes in handy anyway. So after I do that, let me close this up because this thing is opened. Next, now I'm gonna go in with my NW43 Studio Fix powder. It's supposed to add more smoothness to the face. Can y'all see that? How smooth it makes my face look now? Nice. Y'all, I cannot wait later on to finish watching Fringe. I've been binge watching that show for about almost a month now. Y'all see how smooth that looks? That looks so smooth and popping. So next I'm going to go in with my contour. I'm going to use the Black Radiance again. I'm gonna go in with the contour shade, and I have the medium to dark palette. The next shade, the next deeper shade is, I think it's dark to deep or something. I think that's what it's called. And I'm just gonna add a little bit. I'm just gonna blend it. This to do my nose. I'm just gonna dabble in it a little. And after that, I'm gonna go in with this. This is an eyeshadow brush, but it's perfect for using it on my nose. I don't even know the name of this brush. The name is all faded off. Beautiful. Something keep getting in my damn eye, y'all. It's irritating. So I'm gonna hurry up and line my lips. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Kat Von D. I have Damned and I have Sanctuary. I don't know what is bothering my eyes. It is so irritating, y'all. So next I'm about to put my wig on so we can finish up this review. And if you made it to this point, thank you so much for patiently watching. All right, now we made it to the fun, juicy part that everybody has been waiting for. So let me move my camera up. So I'm gonna now take out the Makeup Revolution bronzer. So I have it in the shade medium dark. I was going to get dark, but when I went back to order it, it was out of stock. So I said, let me just get medium dark. So this is how it's looking. And I'm going to use it with my brand new brush. So I'm just going to go in a little bit because, yeah, just a little. Because we don't know how much product is on here. Okay, so I think that's really nice. So I'm going to swatch it. Let me swatch it again so you guys can get a clear. So this is how it's looking. It's more, so the medium shade that's under this one was more warmer than this one. This one is more cool, and then the shade above it, which was dark, that one is more red. So this one is more cool. So if you're my skin tone, it just depends on what are you looking for as far as do you want cool or you want red. So if you want more of a red tone, excuse my nails, you might want to go with dark, or if you want cool, go with medium dark. So yeah, that's just how it's looking. Oh, I can see it. Yeah, it is a little dark on me. I think I got the right shade. Let me see if I can kind of blend that out though. There. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my face, and then we're going to get to my final thoughts on this bronzer. So I'm going to go in with my Profusion blush. I am going to dabble in this and that. I mix those two, and I go over in this area. And then I go in with my Baked Blush by Makeup Revolution. I use this shade and this shade. I already have color on this brush, so I'm just going to blend it right in. And then we are all done. Let me comb my hair real quick. This hair is acting bent, so let me just wear this part. So overall, with this bronzer, I really do like it. I might, when dark comes back in stock, I might go out and purchase that. But to be honest, I think I might go out and purchase medium, because medium is also on the red side. The swatches, it just looked really too light. It looked like it would blend into my skin tone. But the bronzer it looks dark on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and probably order medium, because that one is on the red side. So overall, I do like the bronzer. It's very pigmented, as you can see. I really like it. Very pigmented. It is matte, and I really like it. So let's get more into the packaging. So it did come in this cute little box. It is let's see, it comes with 0.54 ounces of product. Once again, this is a bronzer. It comes in a plastic case. It snaps. To me, it's very easy to open, so it's not, that shouldn't be a problem when it comes to opening it. You do have a mirror, so you can also look in the mirror as you apply the bronzer. You don't necessarily have to use a secondary mirror. So yeah, I really do like the quality of it. The only con is, well, it's not a con because I don't really care, is that this part is gonna have your fingerprints and it can get all dirty and all that. I don't really care. I'll just wipe it off, put it in my makeup stash. Ooh, sorry y'all. And call it a day. So yeah, that's the packaging. So that is all on my review on the Makeup Revolution bronzer in medium deep. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment. I hope you guys enjoyed this review and tutorial. Love you all, and don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and y'all have a good weekend. Bye.